This is an activity based on a reflection of light. The image in a plane mirror using a glass plate. Here we are not using a mirror, we are using a glass plate, and this is the experimental setup. Here we have to place a lighted candle, and in middle we'll place a glass strip, and after that we'll place a unlit candle, and these candles should be placed at the distance of 15 to 20 centimeter from the glass. So what happens is, when we place the candle 15 to 20 centimeters from the glass, see, we can observe the image of the candle on the glass. As it is completely dark and only one side it is lightening, we can see the image of candle on the glass. Here the glass acts as a mirror. From other side you may not observe that. Yes, from the lightening candle we can observe that the image of the candle in the glass. So by adjusting the unlit candle, other side of the glass we are having an unlit candle, so that candle we have to adjust by moving front and back. So by moving the unlit candle front and back, we can observe the flame appearing on the wick of the unlit candle. Here I have measured the distance and I have taken it. The distance between the lighted candle and the glass strip is 15 centimeters. We have to record that distance, like from the glass strip to the candle which is lightened can be taken as object distance. Here the lightened candle is the object and unlit candle can be considered as an image here. So the distance between unlit candle and glass strip is the image distance, and the distance between lighted candle and a glass plate is the object distance. So when we can see the flame on the unlit candle, when these two distances, for example, the distance between the lighted candle and glass plate is 20 centimeter, then the distance between the unlit candle and glass plate should be 20 centimeters. Then only the flame can be seen on the unlit candle. And if the distance between the lighted candle and glass plate is 15 centimeter, then the distance between the unlit candle and glass plate should be also 15 centimeters. Then we can see the light on the unlit candle. So by this experiment we can say that the object distance and the image distance is same. In a plane mirror, the object distance will be equal to the image distance. So both the distances are equal, and we know that, and the size also can be considered as same. Whatever the size will be there for object, the image also will have the same size. And mainly here we can observe that the object distance is equal to the image distance. If the unlit candle moves away from such distance, we may not see the lightening on that unlit candle. So this is an activity about reflection image in the plane mirror by using a glass plate. And by using the glass plate, and these are my observations. When the object distance is 20, the image distance is also 20. When it is 15, it is 15. When it is 10, it is 10. And when it is 5, the image distance is also 5 centimeters.